The penguin never let anyone come near his fridge. In fact, he would carefully clean it 1,000 times a day. This made his friends extremely curious about what was inside that fridge. One day, when the penguin was out somewhere, the boy and the bear quietly approached the fridge, eager to take a peek out of curiosity. But when they opened the fridge, there was nothing inside. The bear was not ready to give up. He opened the fridge door so many times that suddenly the handle broke off. The bear immediately tried to fix it, but nothing worked. Seeing this, the boy got nervous and came to help. But by mistake, he broke the other handle as well. Just then, the penguin came back. When he saw the broken handle in the boy's hand, he became furious and was ready to punish them. Frightened, the boy started to run and bumped into a stone statue. A part of the statue fell off and pressed a switch. The very next moment, the boy found himself back at the point where they were looking at the fridge for the first time. The penguin saw all this and started chasing them again. The boy bumped into the same statue again, and as the stone fell on him, the switch turned once more and the boy went back to the same moment in time. Finally, the boy realized that the statue was a time machine. He decided that he would stop everything before it happened. He tried to stop the bear from opening the fridge, but this time the bear tore the entire door off. Just like before, history repeated itself once again. When the boy couldn't stop the bear from breaking the handle, he decided to break the handle himself. When the penguin came back, the boy deliberately broke the handle right in front of him. The penguin was furious with rage. The bear was so scared that he fainted. But the very next moment, the boy started scratching the fridge and gave the penguin a mischievous smile while staring at him. In the end, he broke the entire fridge and started laughing arrogantly in front of the penguin. The penguin's patience had finally run out and he was preparing to give the boy a harsh punishment. When they reached the statue again, the boy was completely sure that he could reverse time and escape once more. But this time, when he touched the statue,